Hey, what's up guys? My name is Neel and today I'm going to show you how to make the mac and cheese and then I'm going to eat it and give it a rating. So in order to make this mac and cheese here, the first step is to boil the water and I'm waiting for it to do that now. So now that the water is boiling, it's time to add the pasta. You can also stir the pasta. When you decide the pasta is soft enough for you, you take it and you put it into a different container without the water. What you're supposed to do after this is add the flavoring packet. You mix it. It should eventually end up looking like this, all like red and whatnot. So now it's time for the taste test. It's spicier than I expected, getting hints of polytetrafluoroethylene, monosodium glutamate, benzodiazepines. The flavor is good. However, I don't really think it tastes like mac and cheese. It's not very cheesy. It's like a strange, unique pasta dish. As a mac and cheese, I would rate this F tier. As just a pasta dish, I would rate this solid A-. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.